Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a 1/144 scale high-grade Gundam, the origin version, and on today's video, I'm going to build this. Building this kit was easy as expected from the Bandai kit. I cut out each part from the sprue, and they were cleaned to smooth finish with a file and ascending block. After that, each parts were assembled following the instructions. As expected, parts were easy to cut out and sprues were attached to an easy and well thought out places, making cleaning an easy job. Assembly was easy as well thanks to the well laid out instruction, and parts fit together without any issues, and I found no panel gap and very minimum flash mark, which made the assembly very easy. This is what the kit looks like built straight out of the box without any included stickers applied. The kit has a great proportion with a solid edgy lines and a lot of surface details, making this kit look great even for the out-of-box build. Before painting, all parts were washed with warm soapy water. I started the painting by applying the primers first. This time I used Outclip Primer, which is a lacquer paint. For the main color, I used a new paint called the Mecha Color line from the Splash Paint. I first saw this when the New Type HQ showed it on their Twitter. I got interested and purchased from them, and I'm trying it out on this kit. The paint sprayed on well to a nice even layer. The paint seems to be formulated for solid even coat, so it was a bit hard to do a gradient shading, but with a bit of adjustment on air pressure and fine trigger control, I was able to get my usual shading done. So as usual, I painted the kit by spraying a darker shade of the color as a base coat. After that, I sprayed in the main color as a highlight, which gave a nice shade to the color. Some of the smaller details, such as the eyes, I use acrylic paint and brush them on with a small detail brush. After the paint has been cured, I use the Tamiya panel liner for some panel lining. This gave a darker color to the panel gap, and with the shading, it gave a clear distinction between the parts. Stickers were applied next. I don't really like stickers and prefer water slide decals, but this kit included real type stickers that are really thin and cut really close. As far as the stickers go, they are not that bad. After the stickers, I applied some chipping effect by using a sponge stick. I loaded some paint onto the sponge and dabbed it onto the part, applying a random chipping effect. I also used oil paint to create stains and streaks. Oil paint is ideal for this due to its long drying time. This also applies color filters, making some affected parts as if they have been well used. Tamiya Weathering Master was used as well to apply stains and streaks. I especially love how Tamiya Weathering Master recreates suit stains, so it was applied where thrusters and gun barrels are. And here's what the kit looks like once it's done. I found this kit to be a well-engineered kit, easy to build and easy to paint. It articulates well even after painting, and with all the details on the kit, it simply looks great even without painting. I highly recommend this kit. Thank you for watching this video. I'll put a link down below to my blog where I share more of my thoughts of this kit and more pictures. Please press the like button if you like this video and subscribe because in the next video I'll be building this.